oxygen. Oxygen on 1. Let's get that pulse oximeter. Should be 1.6 mils. Perfect. Okay, great.
I'm Jessica Reed. I'm the VP of Veterinary Services at Seattle Humane. We have an ongoing partnership with WSU for just coming up on 10-year anniversary, where we train fourth-year veterinary students in shelter medicine, primary care, and surgery.
If you don't leave enough tissue tight, it could start sliding through the clamp after you take this one off, and that would be less than ideal.
I'm Brittany. I'm a fourth-year vet student at Washington State University, and I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. I went to the Seattle Humane for a shelter med rotation, and I got to do over 50 surgeries, and it really helped improve my surgical skills and confidence.
Just want to make sure that you have it in the correct orientation before you trace so that we don't have pedicle wrapped around the suspensory.
My name is Katie Kuhl, and I am an assistant professor in shelter medicine and outreach, and I'm based here at Seattle Humane. The nice thing about the partnership is that the students are being able to be involved with Seattle Humane, really learn about all aspects of the animal sheltering. Likewise, we help to connect Seattle Humane with Washington State University, with the College of Veterinary Medicine, with consultations on cases, and we are providing services for their animals in the form of surgical and medical care while we're here.
So I think the partnership with WSU is really valuable, not just for ourselves and for the students, but also for the community, because we're partnering to serve the community and their pets in terms of the direct outreach programs that we have, the wellness clinic, the Donny clinic, the One Health program, and then also those students are ambassadors for veterinary health, growing the field, public health, and producing more students that are well-versed in all of these things really produces veterinarians that are ready to help serve and really motivated to understand the spectrum of things that pets and people need.
My experiences at Seattle Humane made me realize that I want to look for different outreach opportunities when I am a veterinarian. It's a really fulfilling way to practice medicine, and it makes you look at everyday situations with empathy instead of judgment.
This kitty's name is Bear. We met Bear last year as a tiny kitten, and we were able to provide wellness care at the One Health clinic for him. And so we were actually able to facilitate the transport of Bear here to the clinic last night, and then his owner will come here today to pick him up in the afternoon.
So I think a lot of our programs are really community focused, and we're trying more and more to lean into that instead of just being a traditional shelter. We're really fortunate that we have a partnership with WSU that helps to support those goals. We have a lot of really generous donors and a very willing community to help get on board and support that mission.
A lot of students may not have had much experience in animal shelters or animal welfare organizations before they come to Seattle Humane, but most people, no matter where they go to practice, there's going to be some sort of animal welfare organization in their community, right? And so if they have a better understanding of how they can kind of plug into or work alongside and with these organizations to provide the best care possible for all families with animals, not just those who have the most means or resources. And so I think that's really the biggest value of what we're able to do here at Seattle Humane and with our partnership with Washington State University.